thank you to Vanigo for sending us this robot vacuum that we've never had before. We've never had a freaking robot vacuum. Isn't that crazy? We lazy as hell and we got shit to do. We don't got time to vacuum.
We got videos to make.
We got videos to make for you. So this is why we need Vanigo. I hope you like.
Suspect.
And subscribe.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box.
Alright, so now we're gonna show them the real box.
We didn't know what was in that box.
Yeah.
We had to make sure.
So we got a remote, we got some eyelashes,
That's the charging thing.
and we got a little, and we got a mop. So I like this whole look. Like it matches my house already.
There's an auto cleaning mode, spot cleaning mode, zigzag. So it looks like you can set up the pattern in which you want it to vacuum.
Also, I did actually see in the description that it remembers where it has already swept up. It remembers. He remembers things.
Oh man.
What?
I see a typo. Battery and charging.
Oh no.
Battery. That's alright. Look, they're human. At least we know it's not run by robots.
Oh my gosh. How? Let's just put it back in the box. I'm just kidding.
Welcome to this intelligent robot. I'm happy to serve you.
Happy to serve you.
What's up? Can you talk to it?
Vanigo, go.
It just flies off the Go.
That's not funny.
Is there batteries in it?
That's what I was about to find out. Vinny, no. You said you were gonna get AAA batteries. You didn't even freaking get it.
No, I have some.
I guess step one, put it on the floor. Yeah, set them down.
It's a girl.
Well, what's her name? If it's a girl.
Martha. Alright, we'll see what Otto's got going. I guess those bristles kind of sweep it into where the vacuum's at underneath.
Yeah. Okay, it's about to hit the wall.
Oh, he said, oops.
He says, psych.
She's just remembering the layout.
Yeah, she getting familiar with the house. No, just, it's like, no,
Go
just
straight.
keep, oh, yeah, he just. Okay, he's going back over there. She's just making sure that she got everything. Oh, are you okay? Oh,
Hey.
she going into new territory now.
So it's good with thresholds, not so much with a rug.
That makes sense though. I feel like this right here is gonna be a challenge because it has these little frilly things. Oh, she going back.
She forgot something.
She forget. I will say it does look, you know, pretty well for what it's done in the kitchen. Definitely there's corners that don't get picked up. But what are you gonna expect out of a robot? Like, you can't be 100% lazy. You can only be like 70% lazy. What do you think?
So far, so good. Does pretty good on tile floor and fake hardwood.
For like all the basic stuff, like that's a solid
Well, with
vacuum cleaner.
We got a lot of close together obstacles. It's not a lot of space in here. And you can see that this thing's a lot wider than the actual part that vacuums up. So it don't get all the way to the edge of the vacuum, you know? Ooh. You just gotta watch it around rugs, but ours is a little difficult. It's actually a blanket.
I just wanted to see, but like in most cases I think it'd be fine. If you have like a heavier rug, I think it might, you know, do the trick. But let's try it upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Let's see how it does on rug. And then we're gonna try the mop. We're gonna mop too after that.
Yeah.
Let's see how it does on the stairs.
On the stairs, it don't fit on the damn stairs.
So let's just see how it picks up on hair. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, she got a little boost scoot in her.
Yeah, she popping that. Hey.
So this vacuum also knows how to twerk. Oh, Oh, okay.
Ma'am, can you
Excuse me.
get off my boyfriend, please?
Excuse me. I know you're just trying to do your job. Let's see if she runs this man over.
You run over my dude, we gonna have some problems. This is Vash. Say hi.
Drop dead!
He's freaking rude. So from just the little bit of time that it has vacuumed in my room, it actually has picked up a lot of debris and a lot of dust. And this is just from like a couple minutes. I don't know where all that dust is coming from, but it's getting it.
Let's go for your allergies. I did use those side brushes to get up underneath the fucking...
You don't know what you're saying. I get a lot of hair on my floor, so vacuuming this up in my room actually does not work because after like 3 minutes, it will keep saying that one of the brushes are entangled. We gonna take this hair off, this nasty hair.
Ugh.
Let's see how it does on mopping mode.
You're getting good at driving that thing, bro.
He about to get his license next week.
My boy growing up.
So you liked it, Vash? Do you have any thoughts?
He ain't got no thoughts.
I did see that it said that it will detect a stairwell. Oh, she really caught herself though. She's thinking about it. Okay, so she's not suicidal.
Plus. Yeah, you'd really hate to see that thing fall down the stairs.
I legit thought she was about to run for it. There's a lot more space in here. So we're gonna try the swirly. The spiral is literally just if you like dirtied a specific spot, because it gets like a good amount of space clean, but it's not for like a whole room.
What about Max? What do you think Max does?
Press it. Oh shoot, we should have been had it on Max.
Focus, focus, focus.
One thing that I do think is really cool about it is that when it's vacuuming and it needs to charge, it will actually take itself to the charging dock. I just think it's an overall pretty cool product, and if you need a robot vacuum, I mean, I feel like it has all the necessary functions to actually get the job done.
It's really just that room with all the hair in it. It's not good with a bunch of hair, because we vacuumed up almost our whole room.
If you have shorter hair, I feel like it would be less of a problem, like especially if you have pets. I think it'd pick that up pretty well.
And it picks up dust really well. It does stop before it runs into something, and
sometimes
even when it does, it's not very hard. You know, it's pretty safe to say you don't have to worry about it running off stairs.
Yeah.
But as we found out right at the end, turn that jank on max. The mopping function was pretty mediocre.
I don't see us using that for real either.
Yeah. There's no setting it up instructions.
But for the most part, yeah, it was pretty self-explanatory. Sorry. I will put the link to it in the description below. You can find it on Amazon. We made cleaning a family event.
And we don't even have to clean.
And we don't even have to clean. Even our lizard likes it. We just need to get a robot vacuum cleaner that can take out the trash now. That's our next move. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you freaking liked it. And I'll see you next time. Or not. Just kidding. You'll be back. Alright, bye.